Hello, YouTube friends and fans. This is about the best I'm going to be able to do, I think, for a video this week. Um, did some major work here on the computer. I installed Windows 10, put a second hard drive in it, put the super fast solid state hard drive as the operating. Ran into issues earlier in the week, got that all settled, and then tonight I was trying to do some work and I have lost the second hard drive. So it's been sitting on the screen for Dell, trying to get into the BIOS now for probably about 15 minutes. So we're going to work on letting this run. I don't know how long this is going to take. It's almost midnight and gotta get to bed, you know how that goes. So anyhow, hopefully I'll get in there, make some changes, figure out where the hard drive went, and not have to reinstall everything. So, thanks for watching, and if you're not a subscriber, hit that button down on the bottom. Thanks for watching. See you later.